Welcome to another section. In this section, I'm going to be talking to you about launchpads. Launchpads are a way of being able to invest in cryptocurrencies at the earliest opportunity before it hits an exchange. There used to be a process back in 2017-18 called ICOs, Initial Coin Offering, which was where a project offered the ability for retail investors and whale institutional investors to get involved in cryptocurrencies at rock bottom prices before they enter an exchange where all the demand pumps into the exchange and makes that coin soar up. But these days, we have what are called launchpads, and these are very good either for short-term flipping, so for trading purposes, or for long-term investing. Okay, now there are a number of launchpads depending on what blockchain you are wanting to buy the cryptocurrency on. Now, the best performing blockchains these days are Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot. There's also some more emerging, for instance, Cardano and Polygon. So, if you want to get involved in these early stage cryptocurrencies from different blockchains, then launchpads are the way to do it. So, I'm going to be taking you through launchpads and how to use launchpads with a direct example where I am going to be investing via a launchpad so that you can have an understanding of the process, because these are the best opportunities to make money in cryptocurrency. And the reason I say that is because Matic, this is an example of a cryptocurrency that I was able to get in at ICO stage, or should I say private sale stage. Now, with these launchpads, of which there are various ones, these allow you to get involved in cryptocurrencies at pretty much private sale price. Okay, so going back to this example, Polygon, which was previously called Matic Network, was a cryptocurrency I got involved in at private sale stage. I was able to get this cryptocurrency at 0.002 of a dollar. So basically, it was a fifth of a cent I was able to get this cryptocurrency at. Today, it is $2.20, which when you do the maths, is about 1,000x, nearly, from when I invested in it. So $1,000 with a 1,000x is $1 million. Okay, so that shows you why it's important to get into cryptocurrencies at the very earliest, because that allows you to be able to get in at a rock bottom bulletproof price before demand comes for that cryptocurrency. They deliver value, they deliver demand, and as a result of that, the price spikes and you make a mountain of money. It's certainly more effective than buying into a cryptocurrency already in the top 100, where they have already grown. They've already made money for early investors. So it's a really good tactic to be an early investor in a potential top 100 or even top 10 coin. So I've given you Matic as an example. Here is another example, a cryptocurrency called Superfarm. Now, this, when it came out as an IDO, so ICO is what an initial coin offering is what it used to be when you got involved in an early stage cryptocurrency. Now it's called IDO, which means initial DEX offering. So that means that you can get involved in a cryptocurrency before it reaches a DEX, a decentralized exchange. Now, Superfarm recently launched on Uniswap. Well, when I say recently, a couple of months ago. But anyway, if you had gotten involved in Superfarm on Polkastarter, because Superfarm was a Polkastarter IDO. So Superfarm launched on the Polkastarter launchpad. Now, if you were able to get into Superfarm on Polkastarter, then that would have been only 2.5 cents. Now, this cryptocurrency went from 2.5 cents all the way up to about $4.50. That equals a near 200x profit, and that was within days. Okay, so it launched at the end of February, and a month later had made a 200x. Okay, and over the course of time, this could make a hell of a lot more money. You know, this is only the beginning, and we haven't really fully realized the bull market yet. So this could go up to $20, $30. And imagine if you had gotten in at 2.5 cents. So launchpads are a fantastic way of being able to make money either short term or long term, as I've just shown you. And there are a number of them. I'm going to take you through them right now. So you've got Polka Starter. I'm going to be showing you in the next lecture exactly what is needed to get involved in all of these. Polka Starter concentrates on cryptocurrencies focusing on the Polkadot ecosystem. BSC Pad focuses on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Paid concentrates on Binance, Ethereum, and Polkadot. Occam Finance concentrates on Cardano. Card Starter concentrates on Cardano. Polystarter concentrates on Polygon. And KickPad concentrates on Binance Smart Chain. So there are a number of different launchpads, and they all offer fantastic projects for you to be able to get involved and make lots of money on. So I'm going to be showing you the exact ways to get involved in all of these launchpads in the next video.